The vibes today, it's giving very much perfection. It's giving very much birthday glow up, and I am obsessed. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you here. So today's my birthday and I just felt like getting glam, getting cute, just doing like a quick get ready with me with you guys. I actually got the cutest flowers from my managers, aka my soul sisters, because they're basically like my family at this point. And they sent me the cutest flower arrangement, guys. How cute is that? It's so sweet. So what I'm gonna do is quickly go put it in a vase and just put it right at the back of this video because y'all gonna see these flowers. I know that much, all right? And then we'll dive into today's look. And there we have the flowers, so cute. So we're gonna dive straight into today's look. And guys, I really wanna go for a green eye look, okay? I know you guys prefer soft glam looks more, but colorful looks have my heart, okay? So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you can really see what I do on the eyes, and let's get to it. So today I really want to dive into some green tones because I got these earrings and they're like beautiful, guys, very dramatic, very extra. If you don't know, based on my current Instagram feed, I've been loving styling my hijab with some chunky earrings lately. It's just my latest phase, all right? When I saw the earrings, I was like, that's it. I'm gonna do a green makeup look, and that is the main inspo for today's look. And if you're subscribed to a lot of beauty channels, you know this time of year is when people start sharing their favorite makeup product of the year. So let's say favorite makeup of 2021. So I thought I might as well just, you know, do my makeup using the products that I really loved this year and that you guys seen me use a lot, you know? And for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking one of the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. As you guys know, I'm definitely a Huda Beauty stan, and you know, her mini palettes always do it for me. And I really, really loved her Wild Obsession eyeshadow palettes that she launched this year. Now this is the green one and it's called Python Wild Obsessions. And this is what the shades look like. And I think I've only used it on camera with you guys one other time, but I really wanted to tap back into it today because I feel like the tones are perfect for the vibes that I want to go for, you know what I mean? So we're gonna dive straight into the color Vibrant Extraness, and I'm gonna take this green shade right over here and I'm picking it up on my Sephora Pro 26 brush, and I'm gonna use that shade as my transition color and just start from the outer corner and work my way in just like that. So I really want to keep the tones on the eyes green. And as you can see in the Huda palette, the next intense or deeper shade that I could use to intensify the crease is the dark brown, but I really don't want to change the hues of the eyes to be more brown. I'm going to take this Sigma Beauty Untamed palette and I'm going to take this dark green shade and it's in the shade Camouflage. So I'm going to pick that up on my Sephora Pro Crease 19 brush and just start using it from the outer corner the same way we did with our transition color and blending my way in. I'm not too worried about it getting like a little messy between the two because I'll just go back in with my transition color brush and just take the time to really blend it perfectly like that, as you can see. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna continue to build up the intensity first. Guys, it's really the pigment for me it's giving. And I know I say that all the time, but when it is, you gotta say it, okay? But I also really want this look to be beginner friendly, so it's easy for you guys to follow along. Because a lot of the times when I tap into color, at least when I'm looking through my feed, when I tap into color, they're very extra dramatic looks and a lot of them are not beginner friendly. So here and there, I wanna just give you guys, you know, like the colorful version of what a soft glam look would be. At least for me, my soft glam looks are always beginner friendly. So I hope that makes sense. Anyways, I'm going on a long tangent, but now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up my lid and prep it for my shimmer shades like I always do with my Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Persuade. All right, so I'm back. Lids are all cleaned up, ready to prep for our shimmer shades. And I'm actually gonna go in with this shade first, right in the inner corner, like right over here, because I was debating whether or not to take this shade or this shade. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then I wanna pack this beautiful green on the rest of the lid because I feel like it's really gonna match my top, which you guys will see at the end. It's like really, really bright green. So I think this will be the vibe. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. I'm gonna pick up the first shimmer on this Sigma Beauty times Beauty Bird Dreamy Cream color brush and just pack that shade right into the inner corner. You know what? I feel like I wanted to give a little more extraness. So I'm gonna pick up some of that lime green matte shade on the same brush and just mix it on top. Yeah, that is giving. Okay, epic fail. I thought I was recording, but clearly I was not. But anyways, I was diving into that really beautiful green shade that I showed you guys, and I'm taking it on my Sephora Pro Shadow 13 brush, and it's really giving very much disrespectful fallout. So I'm warning you guys right now, but I'm just gonna wipe it away like after. I just wanted to let you guys know the fallout is crazy. So now I'm going back in with the same Sephora crease brush, and I'm just blending the dark green that we used in our crease into this shade right over here, as well as bringing it on top to intensify, you know, the shimmer shades that we have on our lid to make them really stand out, if you know what I mean. But this eye look in general though, guys, it's giving very much money. It's giving very much perfection. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna continue to blend this out. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the eyes as is and we'll tap back into it once we finish our complexion. I'm gonna start off by prepping my base, and I'm gonna take my M Cosmetics Face Cuddle Moisture Balm. It's by far one of my favorite products that I discovered this year, guys. It has my foundation looking flawless.com, which is exactly what I need in my life, okay? So I'm just going in with some of that, and I wanna keep the rest of my base super glowy, so I'm only gonna take my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Blurring Primer. This is another one of my favorite primers that I discovered this year, and I'm going to just take it around my nose right over here because that's where my texture shows the most when I apply my foundation. So just on the sides of the nose, and then I'm just gonna do it around my mouth area as well. For foundation, I already feel like you guys already know what I'm gonna go in with because I've been literally using it in almost every look in my recent posts on Instagram and even here with you guys, and that is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 9. Obviously, this is not a new product, but it became new for me. It became one of my favorites this year. So I'm gonna take some of that on my favorite Makeup Forever sponge and blend it out. And honestly, I feel like you guys can see why I love this foundation because it just gives your skin but better. You know, like look at how beautiful of a coverage it is. It's gonna be really hard for me to use other foundations when I know I love this one as much as I do. So to say I am obsessed is an understatement because it is everything. And this is me trying to convince you guys to get it too because it's flawless, absolutely flawless. And for concealer, I've been really loving this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Magic Touch Concealer in the shade 14. I'm actually so shocked that I found a concealer that I would say I love just as much as my Too Faced concealer. And it feels crazy to say because no concealer has topped that one for me. I use it every single day. So to say that I have another, you know, equivalent is shocking to me, but this one is it. It's definitely full coverage, which I love for like intense glam looks like I'm doing today. It has a big applicator just like my Too Faced one, which I love. So I'm just gonna go ahead with some of that. So I'm back looking all kinds of crazy, but I just went ahead and set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. But before wiping it off, I wanted to go ahead and smudge out some of that dark green onto my lower lash line. So I'm gonna leave it there basically just to catch the fallout. And I'm going to just take that dark green shade again from the Sigma palette and just start to pack it on. And then I'm also gonna mix it with the same green from the Huda palette, just so that it creates the same shade of green that it was in the crease on my waterline as well, because I just want everything to be the same hue. So I'm gonna mix those two shades here as well. Alright guys, so I dusted away the powder, went in with some mascara and put on my lashes. And the mascara that I went in with today is by Anastasia. I've been really liking this a lot. This is their Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. And then for lashes, I went in with my favorite style of lashes this year. It's only right. It's only right that I wear them in this look, especially when I'm trying to use all my makeup faves from 2021, is the velour lashes in the style Can't Be Tamed. It just goes with every single makeup look that I do, and it's just it's just giving very much perfection. I just love that it's more thicker at the outer corner because it really allows your shadow shades to show up, you know? I'm just so happy with how this makeup look looks right now. Oh my gosh. So next I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner on my waterline. I really want to take like a nice dark black eyeliner just to complete the vibes. Now the one I'm about to show you guys is hanging on by a thread. That's how you know I actually really use it. It's from Too Faced. You guys already know their killer liner, and you guys have seen me use these killer liners so much in majority of my videos. I feel like if I'm using an eyeliner, most of the time it's from Too Faced. They're so pigmented, come in so many different shades, so I always have like options, and this is their killer black eyeliner. And I always like to take it on this inner corner until where it meets my falsies, because it creates like a nice even black line. Because you know, a lot of the time some lash bands are very dark. It's not thick or anything, but it's very, very dark. So to make it look more seamless, I like to take the eyeliner just right here and just blend it into my lash band. But just letting you know, if you do go in with this under the lash method, you might as well make sure you go in with a black liner on your waterline as well, because it will definitely transfer to your bottom. So just giving you that heads up. So I was literally in the middle of talking and filming this video for you guys, and I got another beautiful arrangement of flowers from Caudalie for my birthday. First of all, I just have to say, I love my Caudalie family so much, because even when I hit 100K, they sent me the most beautiful arrangement. Are you serious, guys? I'm gonna give you the full 360. Like, yes, Caudalie, it is giving. Thank you so much. I don't know if I should put it here too, have like a whole forest situation. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put it behind me as well. We're gonna have like a cute little flower and fake plant forest going on in today's video, okay? But now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna go in with my ultimate favorite setting spray that I discovered this year, and I cannot believe I didn't know about this setting spray before. Like, where have you been all my life? Literally, that's this setting spray, okay? And this is by Iconic London. This is their Prep Set and Glow in the shade Original. It's very much radiance in a bottle, and if you have dry skin, I feel like you would really love this. So I'm gonna go ahead with some of that now. Guys, do you see how flawless I'm looking right now? Do you see how luminous and glowy and beat to perfection we are looking, okay? This is why I like this setting spray. It brings the life back into your complexion, which I absolutely love. So now I'm gonna go in with bronzer, and you guys already know my favorite bronzer that I discovered this year is definitely from Charlotte Tilbury. This will always be my top bronzer for life, okay? This is their airbrush bronzer in the shade Tan, and this is how you know it's well loved, because first of all, you get so much product, so it's definitely worth your coin. But the fact that I hit pan, that's how you know I use it almost every day. Like, I only started to switch it up because you guys were calling me out on it, and you guys were saying, sis, we need another bronzer, we need more bronzer options. That's the only reason why I started to switch it up. But if it was up to me, this would be the one I use every day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that on this Sephora angled cheek brush that I got a long time ago. It's part of like one of their holiday brush sets, and just start to blend that onto my cheeks. So just a heads up, guys, this is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I remember telling you guys in another video that I started watching Scandal. Well, I done finished it. I feel like I haven't updated and talked to you guys in a while. So I finished Scandal, and honestly now I kind of feel like incomplete, because I just loved the storyline. I loved Kerry Washington in that show. So I started watching How to Get Away with Murder, because at least that's on Netflix. I don't know, maybe I might dive back into Suits again, because Suits was my favorite show when I was in university. So I might go ahead and go back into watching that again. Let me know if you guys have any other really good shows to watch. I really love Emily in Paris. It's a very good, feel-good show. But let me know what you guys are watching on Netflix, and put your girl on, because I'm kind of bored right now. So now we're gonna dive into the last part of complexion, which is highlight. And this highlighter right here has been my absolute obsession this year, okay? Even though it launched not that long ago, I don't know how many months it's been out, but you're definitely gonna see me rock it into the new year, because I am absolutely obsessed with this formula, especially the shade Legendary. It is so pretty on the skin. That is what it looks like. It's like a beautiful bronzy golden highlight, and I'm just gonna take it on this Iconic London fan brush. So it's time to complete this look, and I'm gonna go in with my lip combo, and of course we're gonna start off with lip liner first, and I'm gonna put you guys on to some of my favorite lip liners from this year. So the first one is what I'm gonna be using today. This is by M Cosmetics, and this is their Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner in the shade Foxy. It's the perfect shade of brown to line your lips with. Another lip liner that I really love is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Rich Brown, and also Buxom's Powerline Lip Plumping Lip Liner is really good. I don't remember the shade name in that, but I'll link it in the description box below as well. And I also really love the lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury, so I'll link all of my favorite brown lip liners in the description box for you guys. So we're gonna go in with this M Cosmetics lip liner now. And now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this one from Dose of Colors. I actually really like their matte lipstick formula. This is in the shade Knock on Wood. How pretty of a nude shade is that? Alright guys, so I just went ahead and changed real quick, and these are the earrings that I told you that inspired today's whole look. They're so cute, eh? I got them from Eldo Accessories. I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. And this beautiful green top that's giving me very much Balenciaga green vibes on a budget. I got it from H&M, so I'll link that down below if I can find it as well. And this is just a basic black jersey hijab, which I have no idea where I got it from. But yeah, guys, this is the final look, and the vibes that I was going for and envisioning in my head. I really wanted the eyes to match the vibrance of this top. I'm just honestly so happy with how it turned out. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this birthday glow up slash my makeup faves of 2021. But I hope you guys enjoyed just getting ready with me, chit-chatting, and just being creative. If you guys do recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I just want to say thank you so much for always supporting me, guys. You guys mean so much to me, and I'm so grateful for our little internet family. I love you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and join the family because we have a good time over here. It's good vibes all day, every day. So make sure to subscribe, and also make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.